Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to set up a new Xfinity modem using your mobile application. Here's how you can activate your modem or gateway. First, launch the Xfinity application and sign in using your Xfinity ID and password. You must be the primary user or manager to access. So this is it. This is what it looks like. Let's activate your modem and we'll get it up and running in no time. This is what you're going to see on your home screen. Now, once the internet connection has been found, you'll be prompted to start activation. If you aren't prompted to begin the activation process as soon as you sign into the app, navigate to the activation entry point by selecting the Account tab from the bottom right corner of the Xfinity app, and then pick Activate X-Fi Gateway or Modem under the Device section. This is it. Enter Account tab, and when you get to the Devices section, click on Activate X-Fi Gateway or Modem. Once that is done, find an active cable outlet in your home and connect the coax cable into the outlet and into the back of your modem, ensuring both connections are finger tight. Now, if you have Xfinity Voice, you should also connect your phone cord from the back of your phone receiver into the back of the modem after connecting your coax cable. So this is it. Find an active cable outlet. This is what it looks like. Commonly found in your living room or office. An active cable outlet is where you connect your modem to your wall. So this is it. So connect it to the coax, connect the coax cable to it, ensure it's finger tight, and then plug your modem's power cord into an electrical outlet. So once you've ensured that the coax cable has been plugged into the active outlet, the next thing you need to do is to plug your modem's power cord into an electrical outlet. This is what it looks like. Then the next step is to enter your modem's 12-digit MAC number, which is going to be found at the back of your modem. So this is your modem, 12-digit, right? MAC number typically found on the back of your modem. So once you find that, go ahead and enter it. You'll be prompted to enter it. Now, once your modem is connected to the coax cable in an active outlet and the power cord plugged into an electrical outlet, you'll be prompted to check your connection. So once you check the connection, this is what it's going to show. So click on the check connection button. And after doing that, it's going to show you, please hold tight. We're looking for your device, estimated time 3 minutes. Now, once it has been connected successfully, Xfinity service will be activated on your modem. This is what it's going to show. We are activating your service. Estimated time 5 minutes. Please don't unplug your modem. Follow the on-screen instructions. Now, if you have Xfinity Voice and your modem activation and provisioning was successful, your Xfinity Voice number will be displayed in the success message. So this is it. So you're set, and then Xfinity Voice number, it has been displayed. So once you do that, go ahead and click on Continue to Xfinity. Now, if you don't have Xfinity Voice, you receive the confirmation with no phone number, and that's still fine. Now, once your modem is activated, you can use the Xfinity app to see your modem name and online/offline status. You can view payment details. You can access Xfinity Assistant for account concerns, and you can run speed tests to the device you're using. Then you can also restart your modem. So these are the things that you can do after activating successfully. Now, an additional information is how you can also disactivation errors. So if any errors occur during activation, you'll be prompted to chat with an agent to help. Try the activation actions again or schedule an appointment. These are the things that you can do if you find it activation error. But I hope you don't find the activation error, and I hope that once you follow through all of the steps, that you will be good to go and your modem is going to be connected successfully. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.